What does Mogo do? Ever felt like you're stuck in slow mo? You spend hours training a machine learning model, only for the results to trickle in. Or maybe you're a programmer, drowning in lines of code just to get basic tasks done. If you crave speed and efficiency, then buckle up, because today we're diving into the world of Mogo. Now, Mogo can refer to a few things. There's a playful little gremlin from a classic video game, a company that makes connected houseplants. Cool concept, but today, we're focusing on Mogo, the programming language. Hold on, another programming language? Haven't we got enough already? Well, that's the beauty of Mogo. It's not here to replace your favorite tools, it's here to supercharge them. Think of Mogo as the nitrous boost for your coding engine. It builds on the familiar foundation of Python, a language beloved for its readability and beginner-friendliness. But Mogo takes that Python base and injects a shot of adrenaline, turning it into a powerhouse for specific tasks. The key to Mogo's magic lies in its ability to compile code. Unlike Python, which runs line by line, Mogo translates your code into a more efficient format that your computer can understand instantly. This might sound like a technical detail, but trust me, it makes a world of difference. Imagine the difference between giving your instructions one sentence at a time and handing over a detailed blueprint. That's the kind of speed boost Mogo offers. Now, you might be wondering, okay, faster code is cool, but what can I actually do with Mogo? Here's where things get exciting. Mogo's strength lies in its ability to accelerate tasks that are traditionally slow in Python. We're talking about things like machine learning, training those complex AI models you see everywhere. Mogo can slash training times from hours to minutes, freeing you up to experiment and iterate on your ideas. Data processing, munching through massive datasets can be a real chore for Python. Mogo takes on this burden with ease, letting you manipulate and analyze your data faster than ever. Scientific computing, performing complex simulations or calculations. Mogo can handle the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on the scientific problem at hand. These are just a few examples. Mogo's potential extends to any situation where speed and efficiency are paramount. But hold on, is Mogo all sunshine and rainbows? Like any tool, it has its limitations. First, Mogo is still a relatively young language. While it's gaining traction, the community and resources might not be as vast as established languages like Python. Second, Mogo's focus on speed comes at a slight cost in terms of flexibility. If you need ultimate control over every line of code, Python might still be the better choice. However, for those who prioritize raw performance, Mogo is an incredible option. So, should you ditch Python and jump on the Mogo train? Not necessarily. Think of Mogo as a specialized tool in your coding toolbox. Use Python for your everyday scripting tasks and prototyping, then unleash Mogo when you need to crank things up to warp speed. Ultimately, the best language for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. But with its impressive speed capabilities, Mogo is definitely a language worth keeping an eye on, especially if you're tired of the coding slow lane. So, the next time you're staring down a mountain of code or a sluggish machine learning model, remember Mogo. It might just be the nitro boost you need to break the speed limit and get things done. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.